your front light doesn't work anymore, a possible reason for this could be a cable break between the dynamo and the light. Here's the dynamo at this bike. Now we want to show you how to fix this problem. Now we are going to tell you how to connect two cables with each other. To connect those two cables you need a soldering iron and tin solder. So at first you have to connect them. And it should look like this. Now you have to heat up the tin solder closely above the connection. It looks like this, then you have done a very good job. And now I hope your lights will work again.